And now we're in week 3 already. In this week, what we're going to start by doing is talking a little bit about how to visualize a game world. Not just a video game world, but any game world in general. Well then, one of the first thing that comes to mind is the flat map. The flat map is not necessarily about a flat world. You can have all the details on your map stating the topography of it, the height, and all the important parts and spaces and places you might want to visit as a player. Well, that's a classical representation, the top-down representation. It goes back to tabletop games like Dungeons & Dragons. Here you can have a godlike view, where you see the world, the entirety of it, all at once. Something that your character might not be able to see. You, as a player, as a video game designer, can see the entirety of the world and see exactly where you, as a player, stand, a tiny point, maybe in a much bigger world. Here we are talking mostly of open world video games. If the character is a cartographer in this big open world game, in this maybe role-playing game, if he's revealing the map, if he's revealing the important points here, like caves, maybe, or like loot places, you will have the ability, like in modern times, to use GPS, sort of, to pinpoint point of interest and have the system guide you to that specific location. Something you can't do while you're horse riding, but something that the game and the game designer will let you do to facilitate the way you can see yourself in that video game world. Another way to define this map is to bring it in volume, create a model, a dollhouse of parts of the world or the world itself. If you're doing a three-dimensional map, a volume, where you can see exactly where the temples, the caves, and the living spaces are all going together, it is a comprehensive way to guide the players, to let them understand how the world itself works. Here you are an architect, like a supreme architect of a much bigger world, and it's like in real life. It has to respect some properties of actual real-life spaces. And then, not at all, because video game world, or virtual worlds in general, have to be an ersatz. There's a paradox in all that, and we will talk more extensively about it later in the course. But virtual worlds are different. You have to think boundaries. You have to think of technical and practical limits.